Hello friends, welcome back. Today's topic is classification of roads. Introduction. The definition of transportation is a branch of civil engineering which deals with design, development, construction and maintenance of roadways, railways, airport, harbour, docks, tunnel and bridges. There are basically three modes of transportation: by land, by air and by water. Land is given for the scope of development of roadways and railways. Water is given scope for development of waterways and air has given scope for the development of airways. Road transport. Roadways are classified as expressways, national highways, state highways, district roads and village roads. Expressways. These are suggested in third road development plan. So, expressways are separate class of highways with superior facilities and design standards and are meant as through routes having very high volume of traffic. These are used to connect the metropolitan cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. And they have a highest design speed. They should have at least 4 lanes. Expressways may be owned by the central government or a state government depending on whether the route is a national highway or state highway. National highway. National highways are main highways running through the length and breadth of India, connecting major ports, foreign highways, capital of large states and large industrial and tourist centers, including roads required for strategic movement for the defense of India. They run through the length and breadth of country. They connect national capital to all the state capitals, major cities, town and border areas. They should have at least 2 lanes, should have good surface finishing and excellent strength to carry heavy traffic. The construction and maintenance of these roads usually carried out by central government. State highway. These are main roads running within the states. The arterial of roads of state connecting the national highway of adjacent state, district headquarters and important cities within the state and serve as a main arteries of traffic to and from district roads. These are generally one lane but two lane are always be preferred. They have modern type of bituminous or concrete surfacing. These highways are considered as main arteries of commerce by road within a state or a similar geographical units. And the construction and maintenance of these roads are usually carried out by the state governments. District roads. Major district roads are important roads within the districts serving areas of production and market and connecting with other major roads or main highways of the districts. The major district road has lower speed and geometric design specification than national highway and state highway. These roads connect all the districts, all production area and market with state. They have single metal lane of traffic. Other district roads. These provide link to villages and serve as large rural population. They should have good metal surface and proper drainage. Other district roads are roads serving rural areas of production and providing them with outlet to the market centers, taluk headquarters, block development headquarters or other main roads. These are of lower design specification than major district road. The construction and maintenance are carried out by the district authority or Jilla Parishad. Village roads. Village roads are roads connecting villages or groups of villages with each other to the nearest road of a highway category. These connect the villages with each other and also town nearby. These are generally established earth roads, but metal surface is preferred. It was specified that these village roads should be in essence farm track, but it was desired that the prevalent practice of leaving such tracks to develop and maintained by themselves. And the construction and maintenance are carried by local district boards. Thank you.